I'm not even hungry, but it's still good. And that says a lot, honestly.
We show what we're doing. No, okay. We'll do that, right? And then we put her in here. And then we do the zoom in. And you see what happens. Oven timer's off. Okay. Are we recording?
Yeah, we are.
I don't look that healthy.
And that was fire in it.
I'm thinking it's going to get turned to carbon in 2 minutes. Do you like the wireless microphone? You can see I'm talking here.
Yeah.
It doesn't clip into the shoe though, so it'll fall out if the cameras move. Don't like that. Gonna have to figure that out. It's not melting the metal, is it?
I wouldn't think so. You can shove those things in anything.
It's a bit intense, isn't it?
That's the strongest amount. Okay.
Okay, what will I do? Take it out?
Yeah. Just to see what it looks like. Okay, so next time, no oil.
Ah, it's the oil burning off. Cheers, the halloumi. They're not getting a great angle. The viewers.
Well, the fire looks good from here. I'm gonna continue getting ready.
Alright, Pat, alright. See you later, love. I better take it out. Looks like it's getting nuked. Jesus. Not too bad. What do you think? The halloumi has gotten nuked. Oh shit. Okay, so we're minimizing the risk of sliding. What do you think, guys? I wouldn't be too impressed with it now myself. Looks kind of nuked, but maybe it's not too bad, you know? Focus, you fuck. Okay. I'm gonna turn her over. Focus. I don't know, maybe don't put a little bit of vegetable oil on it in the beginning. Jesus, who knows? I better take that out. Jesus. Mother of Jesus. Ooh, try it. Let's see what happens. Come on, little one. Alright, get into it there, love. Tell us what you're thinking.
Like in here?
Yeah, anywhere you like, just fucking flash it in there, love. You don't need to look at the microphone.
I just had to figure out what it was.
Is it cooked though? Is it cooked?
It does look like it, yeah.
Yeah, it looks cooked. Sure, hang on. Get in. Yeah, that's it. Down a little bit. Yeah, perfect. You can bring it closer actually. You can bring it. I think you can bring it to about here. And let's see if we get a focus on that. Hang on. Too close. Move a bit away. A bit more away. Perfect. Alright, try it. Beef short rib. Is it any good?
It's good. It's good. It's like a bit spicy.
Is it any good, yeah?
It's a bit spicy, yeah, but it's good.
Okay.
And we should really try and avoid the getting it too black because you can definitely taste on this meat here.
You can definitely taste the burn, yeah? Okay.
Yep. But otherwise, it's really good.
You can taste the burn.
Seasoning's
It is a marinated beef short rib, yeah.
nice. Yep.
Mate, can I have a little taste? That's nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, of course. Yeah. That's a bit of halloumi.
Hold on.
Yeah, good idea. Grab a chunk of meat. Yeah.
Mm,
From anywhere. The best bit. Take the best bit. Yeah. Is that a halloumi and marinated beef short rib? Is that a winner?
Mm-hmm.
You're doing a little wiggle, little dance.
That's really good.
Cool, baby. Cool. All right. So that's a winner.
Oh.
Well, I turn off the oven now because we're gonna do. Might do nachos. We could do nachos in the oven, maybe.
You could, yeah.
Yeah. Well, should we do that on your mum? You're going to be heading off now. Should we do this when your mummy gets back?
Yeah, sure.
All
Yeah,
right.
this is definitely a you and mama thing. I'm not even going to be in the house until...
All right. I'm going
Way
to turn off
later.
the oven. All right.
Mm.
Is it a winner? Nice one. Brilliant. Love it.
Mm.
Here, I'm going to put the microphone on you so you can talk to the microphone. You can talk to the... Pretend you're sitting with your bestie and you just describe it.
My bestie. It's really good around the bone. It's a bit tougher, but here in the middle, it's really good. Sorry, I'm cutting like a savage. Yeah, it's surprisingly good. I won't lie. I'm not even hungry, but it's still good, and that says a lot, honestly.
You're really liking it.
Yeah, but I'm not hungry, so I'm like.
But you're going out now.
Mhm.
You should always have something in your stomach before you go drinking.
It's not going out. I'm literally going to hang out with a friend, and she's making pasta. I'm bringing the alcohol. We're making Aperol spritz with pesto pasta while we watch a horror movie.
Sounds fantastic.
I'm really excited.
Yeah.
And this is the first time we're hanging out one-on-one.
What's that smell? Smells
Seven.
metal.
Just 7.
Just the grill cooling down, maybe.
Mhm.
Okay.
So I'm really excited.
So is this a banger? Is it?
Popcorn. Mhm.
Is this a winner?
Mhm.
Could do it again. Yeah, in focus. Yeah. I'm getting that smell again.
Maybe it's just from me literally slicing up this metal piece.
Yeah, yeah. Put it onto the plate, love. Don't be cutting into aluminum. Yeah. That's what it is. Yeah. Here, I'll get rid of that plate for you, then.
Mhm.
So the Ooni oven is very flexible.
Mhm.
It's very flexible.
Mhm.
Looking at a chunk of meat quizzically.
No, I didn't know if it was gristle or fat.
It's still beef though, right? Even if it's fat. I'm not a fan of gristle myself, but you know.
Jeez, I need to stop. I'm just gonna finish this halloumi.
Yeah, finish it all, Larry. Seriously. It's a very hot day, 31 Celsius.
Yeah, it's gonna be like 22 on my way home, and that's in the middle of the night. So, that says more to me.
31 Celsius in Fahrenheit. It's a formula for dinner. 88. It's not roasting
out.
hot, but it's warm enough, like. Will you turn the recording off, will you?
No, that's turning
No,
the camera
it's
off.
the button on the front. That's it, yeah.
That does look good, doesn't
Off,
it?
actually. Click the switch there.
The halloumi's a bit blown
Back
out.
more.
So let's see if we can get everything back to normal.
Let's get the oven going.
Rotate.
These are absolutely
Nope.
phenomenal.
But yeah, no. This
release.
is literally just me and my friend
It
hanging out.
stays on. Yeah. Hold it up for you like that, maybe. I'll throw it in now.
Actually, we throw the meat around into the back of the heat.
At least you can see what's going on. Even though the top of the picture is all blown out.
Maybe we should bring it a bit closer.
You see the sun is right behind the right behind. Yeah, you can see now. So I'm blocking it with my hand. Give it a few minutes, guys. I got a battery that plugs into a USB power supply so the camera doesn't run out of power anymore, which is great. I got a wireless microphone. God, it really reduces anxiety. That's what it looks like right now. It's not half bad. It's not half bad. Focus. I need to learn how to use this camera so it stops drifting in and out of focus. It's looking good though. 400 Celsius. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, blackened. Jesus. Jesus, it's a bit hot now. Okay. Let's see if we can flip some of this stuff over. Hey, will you bring us a fork, will you? Thanks. Here. Will you tell me if that's in focus or in the frame? I need to keep it in the frame.
In focus, yeah.
The halloumi got a bit scorched.
Yeah.
It's very hot though, you know?
I think you have a temperature, you should have it in a very low.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Very low heat.
absolutely.
Okay. Alright. Did a bit of an adjustment. Not bad. Lovely. Alright, I think we're done with the recording. I'm going to eat this now.